If you're new in this space, you probably have a lot of questions, right? One of the biggest ones is going to be, what is real estate wholesaling? What exactly is it that takes place when you're wholesaling a property? That's what this course is all about. Think about it for a second. We have a very exceptional opportunity here to create wealth relatively fast with a relatively low amount of money in one of the most competitive spaces out there, right? And that's real estate wholesaling. However, the process of how to build an actual wholesaling business can be a bit confusing. I'm breaking all of that down for you. This is literally the only strategy that I know of out there that has a very low barrier to entry. So you can literally start wholesaling in 30 minutes. It's got big profits. When you get paid big checks, and it doesn't break the bank to get started on this. And you can make a lot of money and create wealth in a relatively short time, right? Compared to a lot of the businesses that take 5-10 years to operate, and then have 2 or 3 years of losses. Wholesaling is not like that. It doesn't matter if you're a solo operation, if you're just getting into this. This is gonna make sense because again, the entire process is laid out for you. I also lay down the details of what happens at each one of those stages. So by the time you're done, you're actually gonna know exactly what needs to happen so you can start wholesaling.